Winfeng Boucher, the founder of Bliss Finance and the author of The Cash Formula. Very often people ask me, Winfeng, should I pay somebody else to fix my credit? And my answer has always been, no, you are your own financial boss. Do not pay anybody else to fix your credit. You are going to be in charge. So the way you're going to do is you're going to go to the site called annualcreditreport.com. And again, annualcreditreport.com. This is a site that's approved by FTC, and this is the site that you're able to pull 3 of your credit reports once every 12 months. Now, the report's going to give you a credit score, and you don't need that right now. What you're going to do is you're going to pull the report, and you're going to analyze every single item, every single trade lines on each credit bureau. If there's any issue that are not correct or anything that you need to be disputed, guess what? You can do all that online. And each credit bureau is going to have 30 days to get back with you. And if they find anything that is actually erroneous, they're going to fix that. And you're going to get another credit report to show the reflected updated. So it's a very powerful tool for you to do anything on your own that are legit, that you're able to provide supporting document so they can go ahead and remove that information for you. So I hope this financial tip serves you for the day. Until I see you next time, stay unique, be alive, and make an impact.